It's our goal to give everyone a 5-star experience. And when we receive great feedback, it motivates us to do even more. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. Our team was really excited to hear high praises for a job well done. We always try to provide the best service, and we take pride in providing the highest quality with great attention to detail. It's our guarantee. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.